on certainty factors and rule-based system. So what is certainty and what is rule-based system we learn, and what is Bayesian network. So first of all, certainty factor is a numerical value that express a degree of subjective belief that a particular item is true. The item may be fact or a rule. The certainty factor model was one of the model for knowledge representation and manipulation of certain knowledge in early rule-based expert system. So in short, I say that you are making one expert system that take the decision without help of human. So that required knowledge base, right? You are given the knowledge base to your system. Now the knowledge base is what? So you are given if and then rules in your system, so then they take the decision based on that knowledge base, right? So what is the use of certainty factor? The certainty factor calculate the numeric value which rule is applied. So based on the rule, that value, we apply the rule and we find the action. So CF is a numerical value that expresses a degree of subjective belief that a particular item is true. Suppose you are making one system for weather forecasting, right? So in that you have given the number of rule for your system, so that they take decision automatically without help of human. Now, what is the use of certainty factor? That calculate the value at that time, which rule we have to apply, and what are the chances of that probability that is true. So CF is a numerical value that express a degree of subjective belief that a particular item is true. Okay. The certainty factor model was one of the model for knowledge representation and manipulation of uncertain knowledge in early rule-based expert system. So that mostly used for expert system. Okay. Now we see what is the rule-based system and what is expert system. So first of all, what is the significance of certainty factor in designing rule-based system? So a simple approach and popular alternative of Bayesian network or belief network. CF is used in cases where the probability are not known, difficult or expensive to obtain. So better explanation of the control flow through a rule-based expert system. So you also search one expert system, that is Mycin expert system, is based for the that advise the patient to which are the care you can take for your any disease. So you can see in this diagram. So user can ask the question, and then the given knowledge base take the action based on that reasoning, and that give the advice to a patient. So Mycin is the most popular expert system in that we are built one knowledge base. So knowledge base contain the human experts rule. If we are given that we have a disease of head pain and all, so what are the chances of cause of the disease? So we are given this all the rule in our knowledge base. So human expert have given their knowledge in knowledge base, right? So patient asks the query to the system, and then the reasoning is performed. So what is reasoning? Reasoning is the explore the knowledge and process the knowledge. So for that we are using probability theory and certainty factor. But sometimes the probability is not given. So that time we are using certainty factor. Okay. Every system has not given probability. So if probability is not given, then you can use certainty factor. Okay. Then you can take the decision from the system, and they advise the user. So which are the care you have to take for your disease. Okay. So what is the significance of certainty factor? Now clear, right? Now the next topic is what is the rule-based system and what is expert system. So the common word is used, rule-based system. expert system, and knowledge based system. So I hope you have clear the idea what is knowledge based and what is rule based system. Because what is knowledge based? So knowledge based is a certain fact or the rule that is taken by the human expert. Okay, anyone have question? You can ask your question. 6 number. Yeah, you can ask your question in chat box. Okay, I give the answer. So first of all, what is knowledge base? So knowledge base contain the fact and the rule regarding your problem. So human can take decision based on their intelligence, but computer can't have intelligence. So we create one knowledge base. So based on that, they take decision. So the term that is used for we making a system, that is rule based system, expert system, and knowledge based system. These all the three word are same. Okay, rule based system, expert system, knowledge based system. Why we call rule based system? Because we are giving if and then rule. So based on that, they compare the condition and then provide the decision. Okay, yeah, ask your question. Anyone? Anyone have question? You can ask your question in chat box. Who is asking a question?
चल चल હવે જવાનું.
You can ask your question in chat box.
चल 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 चल.
These terms are used for a common purpose, that is rule based system, expert system, and knowledge based system. Okay, now we see what is rule based system. A rule based system is a system that apply human made rules to store, sort, and manipulate data. To work a rule based system require a set of fact or the source of data and a set of rule for manipulating that data. So these rules are sometimes referred to as a if statement, as they tend to follow the line of if X happens, then do Y. Because we are making one expert system, so we require to give the knowledge. So we are giving the knowledge in form of if then statement. Okay. So this is called rule based system. So for example, automation software like Think Automation is a good example. It automate process by breaking them down into steps. So first comes the data or new business event. Then comes the analysis, the part where the system process the data against its rule. Then comes the automated action. So what are the steps required to perform a expert system? So first of all, we have to collect the data or the expert knowledge regarding their problem. Now what the second step, the part where the process, we have to process that data and analyze that data, and then the last step is provide the action. So our main focus is certainty factor and probability theory. So where we use for analysis of the data, we are using certainty factor and probability. Okay, in step number 2. So now, how does the rule-based system work? So I give the overview. So rule-based system unsurprisingly work based on the rule. These rules outline trigger and the action that should follow. For example, a trigger might be an email containing the word invoice. An action might then be to forward the email to the finance team. So these rule most of take the form of if statement. If outline the trigger, then specify the action to complete. So if you want to create a rule-based system capable of handling 100 different action, you would have to write 100 different rule. Okay. So you are creating an expert system. What is expert system? The expert system is rule-based system. So that take the decision based on the given rule. So if you have to create a system that take the decision of 100 action, so we have to write the 100 different rules. because system take decision based on the given rules. So if you want to then update the system and add the action, then you would need to write the new rule. Suppose you have to create a new update, so you have to write a new rule. In short, you use rules to tell a machine what to do, and then machine will do exactly as you tell it. Okay. So for there, a rule-based system will execute the action until you tell it to stop. But remember, if you tell it to do something incorrectly, so it will do it correctly. Okay. Suppose we are giving the wrong information in rule-based system, so the system provide the wrong information or wrong output. But if you are giving the right fact, then it provide the right answer. Okay. So this is the rule-based system and expert system. And what is the use of certainty factor? That is, we have to calculate the rule probability or the rule priority to our system. The second step is process the data. In that we are using certainty factor. Why we require certainty factor? Because in rule-based system, all the data are not accurate and right, but sometimes they are the conflict solution. So we have to take the probability or the certainty factor that give the suggestion where what is the data we have to pass for next action. Okay, for that we are using rule based system and certainty factor. Sometimes the probability of the event is not given, that time we are using certainty factor. Suppose in your system the given probability, then you can use probability theory. Okay. Now the main topic is Bayesian network. So what is Bayesian and belief network? So now you already have clear Bayes theorem, that is based on the probability. Now the next network is Bayesian network. So we one by one see what is Bayesian network and where it is used and what are the application and how we can calculate the Bayesian network. Okay, one by one. Now, what is Bayesian network? So Bayesian network, also known as a BN, B for Bayesian and N for network. So BN is a graphical model to reason under uncertainty. So what is uncertainty? Sometimes the given facts are not accurate or the right, but that time we have to require a system required to give the action. So that time we are using Bayesian network to calculate the probability and the next action system have to perform. So Bayesian network is a graphical model to reason under uncertainty. So that consists of nodes and arcs. So nodes are represented by variable and arc shows the strength of connection between variable. So we take one example so you have more clear, but you have to know. So what are the contained in Bayesian network? The first one is node and the second one is arc. Okay. These networks are DAG. So anyone know what is DAG? Directed acyclic graph. You are studying data structure. So what is directed acyclic graph? All the nodes are connected with each other but no cycle. So if you have make one graph, then you have a point to the other node, then the other node point to the other node, but you have to not make a cycle. So that is the directed acyclic graph, that step by step that follow or the direct the other node but not make a cycle. So Bayesian network is one of the example of DAG, means the network of directed acyclic graph. Okay. So BN consists of DAG with nodes labeled by variable name and domain for each random variable, and the third is a set of conditional probability table for each variable given its parent, and the priority probability for nodes with no parents. Okay. So we see one example. So you have more clear what is Bayesian network and what is the probability table and what are the individual probability and connected probability. Okay. So Bayesian belief network define the probabilistic independency and dependency among the variable in the network. So it is a probabilistic graphical model which represent a set of variable and their conditional dependency using directed acyclic graph. Okay, built from probability distribution that consists DAG, means directed acyclic graph, and the table of conditional probability. Bayesian network contain two components, that is DAG, means directed acyclic graph, and the second is conditional probability. So DAG contain nodes and arc. So node represent the variable and arcs represent the connection between two variable. Okay. Now node corresponds to a random variable and arc directed arrows represent a causal relationship or the conditional probability among the random variable. Now overview of your Bayesian network is clear, right? So what is Bayesian network? So Bayesian network is one type of network related to DAG, that is directed acyclic graph. So where it is used for uncertainty reasoning. So sometimes the result, in knowledge base, sometimes the result or the rule are not right, but that have confusion. So that time we are using Bayesian belief network to find the action, what are the system have to take. Okay. So Bayesian network work for the uncertain reasoning, and that contain two components: directed acyclic graph and the table of conditional probability. And DAG contain nodes and the arc. So node is the one variable regarding your problem, and the arc represent the relationship or the condition probability among random variable. Okay. Now we take one example. So you can see here, I have to find the lung cancer. Okay. So here they give the probability of relative head cancer and smoke. So you can see that here true and false. The DAG Bayesian network contain DAG. So that is directed acyclic graph and probability table. So this is the 1, 2 and 3 is the probability table related to this variable. And this event, the what is the probability table that provide the value for the event is occur or not occur. Okay. Here you can see that relative head cancer and smoke is a individual or independent probability, because there is no joint probability. Suppose you can see that lung cancer is related to this related head cancer and smoke, so that is dependent on these two event, right? So this is called the dependent probability, and relative head cancer and smoke is a independent probability. This is the one sample example of Bayesian network. So that contain Bayesian DAG, that is directed acyclic graph. So here are the nodes are the relative head cancer, smoke and lung cancer are the variable, and the second contain the probability table. So you can see that the relative head cancer, so this is the one event that maybe two chance, true or false. And the second event is smoke. If it is smoke, true or false. And the third is lung cancer. There are the possibility of two event on lung cancer. So these are the four possibility. So suppose lung cancer, relative head cancer not, and smoke is not, then what are the chances of lung cancer of true and false? So you can see the probability of this event. Okay. So what are the probability of lung cancer when the relative head cancer and smoke? So if both the condition are true, then true. So if lung cancer is possible, that the probability is 0.6. And what are the chances of not probability of lung cancer, that is 0.4. So this is one sample example of Bayesian network. Okay. Now I hope you have clear what is probability and what is Bayesian network. Okay. Now also we go to the next example. So this is the most IMP example. Suppose you have to clearly understand this problem. So what is this problem? Burglar alarm system. So what is this problem? So I have a burglar alarm that is sometimes set off by minor earthquake. Okay. My two neighbors, John and Mary, promised to call me at work if they hear the alarm. Okay. Example inference task. Suppose Mary calls and John doesn't call. Is there a burglar? So what are the variable, random variable? So I give one basic example. In my home, I have make one alarm system. If any burglar or the earthquake occur, then the alarm system, then alarm the system. Okay. Then John and Mary call me for inform the alarm is on. Okay. So I have a burglar alarm that is sometime a set of my minor earthquake. My two neighbors, John and Mary, promise to call me at work if they hear the alarm. I am not at my home, so my neighbor, that is John and Mary, inform me when the alarm is on. Okay. So what are the variable? Here you can see burglary, earthquake, alarm, John call, Mary call are the variable in my system. Okay. Now what are the relationship and what are the action? So so burglar can set the alarm off, then an earthquake can set the alarm off, the alarm can cause Mary to call, and the alarm can cause John to call. So these are the influence relationship in our system. So first of all, I define a problem. What is burglar alarm system? So I have an alarm that call me that on when the earthquake or any burglar in my home. But if it is alarm system is on, then my neighbor John and Mary call me. Okay. So John and why they call me? Because I am not at my home. So what are the variable in my system? That is burglary, earthquake, alarm, John call, and the Mary call. Okay, these are the variable. And what are the relationships? So I have already mentioned burglar can set the alarm off and all. So now we more explore this example. So new burglar alarm system install at home. Generate sound when burglar is detected. Also respond to occurrence of minor earthquake. And Mary and John are neighbors. They are supposed to call them when alarm sound. John confused his phone ring with burglar alarm, so sometimes he may or may not call them. Mary loves listening loud music, so she may not be able to hear the alarm sometime. So these are my neighbor, that is John and Mary. But sometimes John confuse his phone ring with burglar alarm, so he may or may not call them. And the Mary loves listening loud music, so he may not be able to hear alarm sometimes. Okay, these are the event occur in my problem. Now we explore more. So what are the different event? So that is burglary, earthquake, alarm, John call, and Mary call. Now what is my problem? Then find out the dependency of event and draw a directed acyclic graph. Okay, here nodes are event and arc are the dependency. So first of all, I have clear in Bayesian network two component are there. It is directed acyclic graph and the probability table. So in DAG, two events are occurred, that is node and arc. So nodes is the event or variable, and arc is the relationship between two variable or dependency. Now I draw one graph, so you have clear how the burglary, earthquake, alarm, and John call and Mary call are related. Okay, so you can see this is my directed acyclic graph of this problem. Here the burglary and earthquake event occur, then alarm system is on, right? So that time my arrow is so in this direction. When burglary comes in my home, then alarm on. When earthquake is occur, then alarm on. So this arrow represent the alarm event. When burglary comes in my home and the earthquake occur. Now what are the action when alarm on? So John call and Mary calls to me to inform in your house the burglary or earthquake is occur. So this is the directed acyclic graph for this problem. I hope you have clear. Clear? Anyone have still doubt? If you have doubt, then you can ask me a question, because this is a very important theory in your syllabus. That is Bayesian network. This is your directed acyclic graph for this problem. When burglary comes in my home, then alarm system on, and the earthquake is occurred, then alarm is on. I am not at my home, so John and Mary is my neighbor, so they inform me. So alarm is related with John call, and alarm is also related with Mary calls. Because when alarm on, then John and Mary can be called me. Okay. So now in Bayesian network, two components are there. The first one is the directed acyclic graph. So I have drawn this directed acyclic graph of my problem. So if you have given any problem, so in Bayesian network, you have to first draw DAG. So DAG contain variables and relationship. You can see there's the burglary, earthquake, Mary call, John calls are the variable, and alarm is the variable. Okay. Now, the second is probability table. So what are the probability when burglary comes in my home, and what are the probability of earthquake when alarm is on? So you can see here, this is the perfect Bayesian network of our system, because I already told Bayesian network contain DAG, means directed acyclic graph, and the second is probability table of the event occur or not occur. Okay. So here one variable, that is burglary. Okay. So this is the independent probability, because there is no other event is related to burglary, right? And this is the earthquake. So is also independent probability, because there is no other event is related with earthquake. You can see alarm is a dependent probability, because the burglary and earthquake is related with the alarm system. Okay. And also John calls and Mary calls related with the alarm system. So this also dependent on the alarm system, that is dependent probability. Here what are the independent probability, that is earthquake and the burglary. And what are the dependent probability, that is alarm system, John call and the Mary call. Now you can see that this how we can calculate this table, that is probability table. So B for burglary, E for earthquake, then A for alarm system, and J for John calls, and the M for Mary calls. So you can see there, okay, this is the independent probability. So we are writing probability of B. And this is the earthquake. This is also independent probability. So we are writing probability of E. Now the alarm system has a dependent probability, because that is related to burglary and the earthquake. So here I write probability of alarm when burglary comes or earthquake occur. So this is the dependent probability. So you can write in this manner: probability of alarm system when already burglary or earthquake event is occurred. Already we are study in the probability in previous lecture, joint probability. When a burglary event already happening, then alarm system work. And when earthquake is occurred, then alarm system is on. So this is the dependent probability. And the next John call. John call is also related with this alarm system. So I write probability of John calls when alarm is on.
ओए
Yeah.
कृष्णा ओए प्लस कराओ जहे भाई.
And Mary calls, that is probability of Mary calls when alarm system is on. Okay.
બે મેં S3 પરથી S2 પર આવી ગયો બે યાર shit.
Now you have to make this calculation of true and false this event occur. So probability of burglary and the probability of earthquake. Okay, this is the independent probability. So that's why I writing true and false, only two possibility. The earthquake, when earthquake is occur, so the what are the probability of true and the false. Okay, and the alarm system that is related to burglary and the earthquake. So that's why the four possibility are related with the alarm system when burglary comes and the earthquake true. So this is when both the condition are true, then both the condition are false when one condition is true and the one condition is false. When burglary condition is false and the earthquake condition is true. So this is the probability you can calculate using Bayes theorem, that is joint probability. Okay, and here also you have to calculate the two probability. Here the alarm system is related to the zone call. So alarm system, you are writing the true and false condition when alarm system is on or zone calls to me, because in my system, so these are the probability of truth of alarm on and John call to me. And this is also when alarm system is on, then Mary call to me. Okay, true and false. So this is the probability distribution for burglary alarm example. So I hope you have clear the Bayesian network and the Bayes theorem already we have discussed. And the one main point, that is uncertain factor. Here we are not using a certainty factor because the probability of event is given, right? So you can also calculate using the new probability of alarm is on or off because the data is given. But sometimes the probability data is not given, that time you have to use certainty factor. Now we check the comparison of Bayesian network and the certainty factor. Now you now clear in Bayesian network we are using probability, and sometimes probability is not given, that time we are using certainty factor, right? So now we check or compare this all the two terms. Probability theory is the oldest and best established technique to deal with the inexact knowledge and the random data. So it works well in such areas such as the forecasting and planning, where statistical data is usually available and accurate probability statement can be made. So sometimes this system, probability system, used for the forecasting and planning when some already given data and the probability is given, right? The next point is, however, in many area of possible application of expert system, reliable statistical information is not available, or we cannot assume the conditional independence of evidence. So as a result, many researchers have found the Bayesian method unsuitable for this work. This satisfaction motivated the development of certainty factor theory. Okay, when we are using certainty factor. Okay, that time suppose any problem that we are not calculate the probability, so then we are using certainty factor. So although the certainty factor approach lacks the mathematical correctness of the probability theory, it outperforms subjective Bayesian reasoning such area as a diagnosis. Sometimes they provide a very good result compared to probability theory. Now certainty factor are used in case where the probability are not known or are too difficult, too expensive to obtain. So evidential reasoning mechanism can manage incrementally acquired evidence, the conjunction and disjunction of hypotheses, as well as the evidence with different degree of belief. So the certainty factor approach also provides the better explanation of the control flow through a rule-based expert system. So also, same as it is probability theory, certainty factor also provides the better explanation to control flow through a rule-based system. So that is also very good terms, the certainty factor. The Bayesian method is likely to be the most appropriate if reliable statistical data exists, the knowledge engineer is able to lead, and the expertise available for serious decision analytical conversation. In the absence of any of the specified condition, the Bayesian approach might be too arbitrary and even biased to produce a meaningful result. The Bayesian belief propagation is of exponential complexity and thus is empirical for large knowledge base. I hope you have clear the difference between probability and certainty factor. Probability is also used for process the knowledge or find the uncertainty regarding your system or the knowledge base. And certainty factor also it is used for the uncertain data reasoning. So already you have to clear what is reasoning, the ability to process your knowledge. Sometimes we are using probability theory when the given probability of your event occur or not occur. And certainty factor used when the probability or chance of the true or false is not given. That time you are using certainty factor. Okay. Now in next lecture, continue with the fuzzy set and the fuzzy logic. But till now you have any question, then you can ask your question.